So on the older Prados here, 2009 to 2013, the GXL model has the reverse sensors and the hazard. This has to go, unfortunately, in our thing upside down. We've tried to source these and we've tried to source the sort of mold, but it's like 1,000 pieces and we don't sell enough, unfortunately, to get it done. So sometimes when you're like putting it in, it seems a bit sort of funny. So what you can do in here is, if you can see, I've actually snipped the top off of these sides here. So just get a pair of pliers or actually like scissors in there, and you can actually just snip that little like top bit off. You can see, if you check on the other side, you can see it still has the top bar going across them. And now you'll see when I go to put that in, it'll actually clip in nicely, and it's all pretty firm in there. That isn't going to come out. I wouldn't worry about that. If you are like super concerned, you can put a bit of like double-sided tape on like that side, but if you can see here, you're not going to have any issues. There you go. I gave it a pretty good smash there. You wouldn't probably hit it that hard, so you can put some double-sided tape on this like one side here, and that'll just really hold it in there. But you don't have to, and again, that is just like stopping it clicking in. What you can do, so what I would do is I would just put a little bit of tape pretty much in here, and I'll show you. So 2 strips of double-sided tape, I just put them directly over the sort of lugs, and you can see it pretty much helps to join in there, and that's going to keep you like super secure. That was just using some perma stick. This is pretty much some mirror mount on this, sort of mirror stuff. Hopefully we will include a little strip in the kit in the future if we get time.